Hello, I'm Karen from Síolta, Chroí, which is Irish for Seeds of the Heart, here in Monaghan in Ireland. We are on a small site, a 3-acre site here in an area that is known for conventional agriculture. We've set up several different demonstration sites of different land management practices that we think can be beneficial for soil health, for the environment, for the future of the planet, including a small agroforestry system, also a pond and a no-dig market garden, plus a mini food forest exploring different perennial plants. We're also building an education space here out of straw bale, and we hope to run workshops and different educational outreach programs there in order to reach people in our community. We have already been working with young people, with schools throughout the year, and we have lots of other projects planned for the